Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up homepage on Firefox. So let's get started. At first, open Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner, click on the three-line menu icon to access the main menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings window, click on the Home tab in the left sidebar. This is where you can manage settings related to your Firefox homepage. Under Homepage and New Windows, click here for Custom URLs. This allows you to set a specific homepage instead of Firefox default options. Below the Custom URLs option, there's a text field. Enter the URL of the website you want to set as your homepage. For example, type www.newhomepage.com for your prepared site. After entering the new URL, close the window. Firefox will automatically save the changes. And the next time you open the browser, your chosen website will be your new homepage. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.